This week's questions relate to the Adobe Acrobat application, and they are: how do I make an Acrobat file? And how do I edit an Acrobat file? These issues will be addressed for both Windows and OS X computing platforms. And now the answers. Okay, let's talk about how to make an Acrobat file in Microsoft Windows. On the RU campus, all Windows PCs have the Acrobat Professional program installed. What this means is you can make an Acrobat file from just about any program that is capable of printing. For example, I have a Word document here. To turn this into a PDF, or Acrobat file as it's also known, I can go to File and Print. Notice I'm not choosing Save As here, I'm choosing Print. And I'm going to specify in my printers Adobe PDF. I'm going to click OK, and I'll save this to my desktop, and momentarily my Word document is saved as a PDF. Now if I minimize Word and have a look on my desktop, there's my PDF file. It just took a moment to create, as you see there. And so here we are in Acrobat Professional, and here is my new PDF document. I'll also point out that I'm using Microsoft Word 2003 here. A question that we frequently get on the Mac side also is, how do I make a PDF file? Well, using the OS X platform, PDF creation is actually built into the operating system. Now as you see, I've got a Word document open here, and to save this as a PDF file, I can choose File and Print. Once again, notice I'm going to Print, not Save As. And momentarily a print dialog appears, and in the lower left of my window I have PDF. If I click on that, I can now choose Save as PDF. I'll save that on my desktop, and momentarily, there it is. My Word document is now PDF. Any program capable of printing in OS X can be used to generate a PDF document, and as I said, it's built into the operating system, so you do not have to have Acrobat Professional installed to create PDFs. Now, one more thing I'll mention is that you also have the Preview editor, which can be used to save files as PDFs. Preview also comes with OS X, and similar to the Microsoft Windows Picture Viewer, it's there to view pictures and other types of media files. Now I can choose File, Save As, and in this instance I can choose PDF from the Save As menu rather than the Print menu. And we'll save this to the desktop just as a test, and there's our PDF file. So, in addition to printing to PDF, you can open images and such in the Preview editor and save them as PDFs in OS X. So let's take a moment to talk a little bit more about using Adobe Acrobat. Now, as I mentioned, the Acrobat Professional program is available on just about any Windows PC on campus. And what having Acrobat Professional installed in Windows allows you to do is to use the print menu, as we did in Word, to generate a PDF file from just about any program. You can print a PDF from Office programs, you can print to it from just about, as I said, any program capable of printing. Now, the Acrobat Professional program itself, which on my computer here, I can go to Programs, Adobe Acrobat Professional, and you see it here. Now I've got an Acrobat file open. A question that we get a lot is, I have an Acrobat file I made, how do I make changes to it? Well, the short answer to that question is, there isn't a whole lot you can do. The nature of Acrobat is that you generate Acrobat files from other programs, as I said, using the print menu. Once you make a PDF, there are really only minimal things you can do to change the file and edit the file. Any serious or heavy-duty or substantial editing that needs to be done really should be done to the source document, be that a Word file or an Excel spreadsheet or a Photoshop document, whatever it is that your original file format is before you print it to PDF. You really should keep a copy of that in order to make changes. Now, having said that, there are a couple things you can do in Acrobat to do a little touch-up editing. If I go to Tools, Advanced Editing, I've got some different options here. Notice the Touch-Up Text tool. I'm going to choose this and say I needed to change my time here. Now I can type and choose 9:50 a.m. to 11:50 a.m., right? Or say I need to edit this for next fall. I just change 2007 to 2008, right? Touch-Up Text tool is nice for small typographical changes to text. Now, if you have to add another paragraph or do any kind of substantial editing, as I said, in this case it would be good to go back to my original Word document, make the changes, and then reprint the file to PDF. Acrobat in and of itself is not designed for making substantial edits. Those really need to be done in the source application.